Bullish Revain cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept fire up could reach $0 2025. Bearish Revain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Revain presentation. One of the main outcomes of the crypto business extension is the development of a few useless tasks. Another is that crypto advances and blockchain foundations are creating at lightning speed. Consequently, engineers should stay informed concerning the most recent improvements inside the crypto space to guarantee that new undertakings are viable with the predominant security requests and client taste in the crypto space. Nobody cruises all over today in a pony truck. Notwithstanding the above mentioned, the crypto business is exceptionally reliant upon palatable client experience and simple item connection. Could it not be fine in the event that there was a way for engineers to get client-driven data that proposes the predominant taste of the market, the state-of-the-art innovation, and plans? Some Moscow specialists suspected as much, and they made Revain as a blockchain stage based on the Ethereum network that permits designers admittance to inestimable data on the quality and execution of their items. Revain intends to guarantee that items mirror the overall guidelines and taste of the market by outfitting engineers with data through client surveys. What is Revain? Revain is a computerized stage for ETH-based blockchain project surveys. It gives the stage to designers to get significant input in regards to the quality and functions of their tasks, utilizing shrewd agreements to guarantee the validity of surveys. Revain is the principal online audit stage that depends on blockchain innovation. All audits are put away permanently on the Ethereum blockchain, making them sealed. The blockchain's unchanging nature gives analysts the certainty that their considerations won't be erased or changed by anybody, including the venture creator. The Revain stage boosts clients to compose quality audits by giving them compensations as tokens. Compensated surveys are then put away on the blockchain, which makes them unchanging. This implies organizations can believe the surveys on the stage, realizing they are certified and can't be modified. Revain's utilization of blockchain innovation additionally takes into consideration straightforwardness among organizations and analysts. Organizations can perceive the number of individuals that have investigated their item or administration and what rating they have gotten. Then again, commentators can perceive how organizations accept their criticism. This makes a commonly helpful connection among organizations and commentators, as the two players need to work on the nature of the items and administrations advertised. Revain Key Examination. Revain is the first of its sort to utilize the unchanging nature of blockchain innovation to guarantee straightforwardness in item survey. The stage permits designers to get fundamental data that would illuminate changes to their items, expanding its acknowledgement and similarity with winning business and security conditions. Furthermore, on the grounds that the crypto market isn't yet immersed, Revain will encounter more use, enhancements, and worth increment. Capitalization. Presently positioned 318 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $66,906,706, Revain has not seen the best of its days. At $0, the cost of Revain is pitiful, recommending that crypto lovers would incline toward the venture as the business and quality need grows use. Coordinated efforts. Revain has banded together with the enormous canines in the crypto space. A portion of its partners incorporate sharp flavoring in .x and CREX24, among other digital currency exchanger stages. It has cooperated with Fervency, a blockchain stage for organizations to give items, NXT, IGs, and some more. Revain current cost. Revain is right now worth $0. Fire Up has moved 3.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $396,340. Revain is at present positioned 318 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $66,906,706 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Revain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Revain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Revain Value Forecast 2022. Revain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Fire Up cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progression. Fire Up is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Revain Fire Up cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of FireUp will before long outperform $0. Taking into account the market unpredictability, FireUp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. FireUp may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. FireUp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Revain Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Revain effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the FireUp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. The FireUp is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Revain Value Expectation 2026. Besides, FireUp has a greatest value worth of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that FireUp figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help FireUp needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Revain Value Forecast 2028. While FireUp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Revain Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Revain will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Revain Value Forecast 2030 makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme FireUp cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the Revain Group has major areas of strength for an man-made reasoning and large information, which they are using to fabricate a refined criticism framework. The stage is at present in beta, yet it has proactively built up some forward momentum, with more than 1 million evaluations submitted. What is the Revain cost today? Today, Revain is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $66,906,706. Is Revain a wise venture? Revain ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that FireUp is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Revain at any point go? The typical cost of Revain might conceivably reach $0 a year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Revain might outperform $0. What amount will Revain be worth in 5 years?